Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with 2 displays. First, confirm available ports and any adapters. This saves time. Once cables are connected, power both monitors and select the GPU outputs. Now open your operating system's display settings, choose Extended Desktop, not mirrored, set which screen is primary. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match or are compatible. This prevents scaling issues. If one monitor looks blurry, check cable type and resolution. You'll now move to arranging and fine-tuning layout. Now you'll arrange and calibrate. Open the display layout and drag the screens to match their physical positions, aligning tops for consistent cursor movement. Then adjust resolution and scaling per monitor. Once done, set matching refresh rates when possible to avoid stuttering. If color accuracy matters, load color profiles or use built-in calibration. Next, decide where taskbars or docks appear and whether wallpaper spans both screens. Make sure apps remember which display you prefer. This speeds workflow and reduces window shuffling. Finish by optimizing workflow and knowing a quick troubleshooting step. You should set up window snapping, virtual desktops, and keyboard shortcuts so moving apps between screens is instant. If a monitor shows no signal or flickers, update GPU drivers, then check or swap cables and ports. Adapters can fail, try another one. Once done, test each monitor solo to isolate hardware faults and make sure power-saving modes aren't disabling the port. If problems persist, reboot with both connected and reopen display settings to reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.